Red Dogs Roofing Week.
Red Dogs Roofing Week.
Red Dogs Roofing Week.
What's Red Dogs Roofing Week?
It's our way to give back.
It's our way to empower the next generation.
It's our way to recognize our team.
This July, Red Dogs Roofing is rolling out our first annual Roofing Week. A week packed with 3 roof giveaways, a community day for the next generation, and a training and awards night for our team. We're picking one family in need for each of our locations.
One in Southwest Florida.
Another in Connecticut or Rhode Island.
And lastly, in Massachusetts or in New Hampshire.
After our roof giveaways, we're officially launching our first community day, where we'll host an array of vendors to introduce local students to the many opportunities in the roofing industry. We'll be wrapping up the week with an internal team training and awards night dinner to really recognize the growth of such amazing individuals.
To enter a deserving family or individual into our roof giveaway,
Go to roofgiveaway.com.
And nominate someone today.